If you ever wonder where you should be spending your time during your workout session, with free weights or on weight machine, today we will break down both of their pros and cons and try to answer which one of them is better for you. Whether you use free weight or machine weight, when you get to the gym, there is one thing we know. Strength training has numerous benefits leading to stronger bone and muscles, better balance and maintenance of healthy weight. What's the short answer? Both machine weight and free weight are beneficial. In general, machine weights are great tool for beginners as they teach proper form and reduce the risk of injury. Free weights on the other hand allows you to work more muscles and promote functional fitness. Plus, if home workout is your choice right now because of the global situation, free weights are more accessible and versatile than machine. If you are finding this video informative till now, then you can leave a like and let me know in the comment section below if you have any question regarding fitness. Both free weights and machines will work many of the same muscles. But when you compare both of them, then free weights will work more muscle than machine weights. For example, when you perform a dumbbell shoulder press, not only your shoulder engage, but so are your core, traps and triceps, as your whole upper body works to stabilize you. In a shoulder press machine, a fixed range of motion guides the weight up and down, eliminating the need for the extra stabilization on your side. Here's majority of the work falls to your shoulder. As discussed earlier, machine can be especially beneficial if you are new to weightlifting or want to target a specific muscle group. As a beginner, learning proper form is crucial, not only to prevent injury but to maximize the benefit from each exercise you perform. Machine weight also can be effective weight training tools. As long as you use machine that adjusts to your body dimension and allows your joint to move through their natural motion path. Starting on machines will allow you to get a sense of how the movement should be feel and which muscles are the focus. Similarly, even if you mostly stick to free weight, using machine to hit certain muscle group is also an effective tactic. For example, you just completed a set of barbell deadlift, a hamstring focused exercise, and you want to superset that with a quad focused exercise. Instead of doing squats, you could use the leg extension machine to specifically work the quads without fatiguing other leg muscles. If you are an intermediate or advanced exerciser, make the foundation of your routine based in free weight and supplement with machines. The bottom line is both free weight and machine weight have their place in your strength training routine. By taking your personal goals and fitness level into account, you can decide which will work best for you. And whichever type of resistance training you choose, remember that proper form and technique is more important than the specific type of equipments. If you are interested in getting facts and tips about fitness, then consider subscribing and make sure you click the bell icon so that you get notified first when we release a video.